This month, we've been talking about finding purpose and living with meaning. Today, we're focusing on how to overcome the challenges that can get in the way. We all face things like fear, doubt, or tough situations that make our goals feel far away. These moments can leave us feeling stuck, but they can also help us grow. In this episode of The Truth Is with Arlene, we'll look at why obstacles feel so hard and how to move past them. I'll share simple tools to help you stay focused and keep moving forward toward a life that feels meaningful. So let's get started. Let's start by exploring some of the most common barriers that can stop us from finding or living out our purpose. These barriers often show up in ways we don't even realize, and one of the biggest ones is fear. Fear is tricky. It has a way of creeping into our thoughts and holding us back, and it can take many forms. The fear of failing, where we worry about making mistakes or not meeting expectations. The fear of succeeding, which might sound strange but can be just as powerful. Sometimes we're scared of the changes or responsibilities that success could bring. The fear of the unknown or the uncertainty of what lies ahead keeps us from moving forward. Fear often makes us pause, second guess ourselves, or avoid taking the first step. It whispers doubts like, what if I try and it doesn't work out? Or what if things change and I'm not ready for it? At its core, though, fear is just our mind's natural reaction to stepping into something new or unfamiliar. It's not necessarily a bad thing, it's there to protect us. But it can also stop us from growing if we let it take over. Recognizing fear for what it really is can help us take the power back and move forward with courage. Imposter syndrome feels like carrying a little voice inside your head that keeps saying, you're not good enough, no matter how well you're doing. Even when you've worked hard and achieved something amazing, this voice makes you doubt yourself. It can leave you feeling like you don't belong or that you're somehow faking your way through life. You might find yourself thinking things like, I don't really deserve this success. What if people realize I'm not as smart or capable as they think I am? Maybe I just got lucky and I don't actually know what I'm doing. These thoughts can be tough to shake, but the truth is, they are rarely based on facts. Most of the time, they come from your inner critic, a part of you that's just way too loud and overly negative. It's important to remember that imposter syndrome happens to almost everyone at some point. Even people you admire or see as incredibly successful often feel this way. It doesn't mean there's something wrong with you, it just means you care deeply about what you're doing. The key to overcoming imposter syndrome is to remind yourself of the facts. Look at your achievements, the effort you've put in, and the skills you've built. You've earned where you are through your hard work, and it's okay to feel proud of that. Replace the doubting voice with one that says, I've got this, I've worked for this, and I deserve to be here. Worrying about what other people think can feel really overwhelming. Like carrying a heavy weight on your shoulders. You might find yourself wondering things like, what if people laugh at me? What if my family or friends think I made the wrong choice? What if I fail and everyone sees it? It's completely normal to care about what others think. We all want to feel accepted and valued. But sometimes we give too much power to other people's opinions, letting them influence our choices or hold us back from doing what feels right for us. When we focus too much on what others might say or think, it can stop us from taking risks or following our hearts. We start living to please others instead of living in a way that feels true to who we are. This can leave us feeling stuck, unhappy, or unsure of our path. It's important to remember that your purpose is about you, not them. Other people don't live your life. You do. They might not understand your dreams, your choices, or your journey, and that's okay. You don't need everyone's approval to move forward. Your purpose isn't about meeting other people's expectations. It's about following your own path, even if it's different from what others might choose. When you focus on what's meaningful to you, the opinions of others will start to feel less heavy. Remember, the people who truly care about you will support you, even if they don't always fully understand your choices. Finally, let's talk about feeling lost. When you don't know where to start or what to do next, it can feel really overwhelming and confusing. And this feeling called lack of clarity. When you lack clarity, you might find yourself thinking things like, what am I even meant to do? How do I figure it all out? Where do I begin? Or what if I make the wrong choice? These questions can make you feel stuck, like you're standing still while everything around you moves forward. It's similar to being in a fog, where you can see the way ahead clearly. You might feel like you're spinning in circles, trying to find the direction, but not getting anywhere. Not knowing what to do next can make you anxious and stressed. You might worry that you'll never find your purpose or that you'll always feel this way. It's easy to feel frustrated or even give up when things seem so unclear. But there's the good news. Recognizing that you're feeling lost is the first step to finding your way. When you understand that lack of clarity is just a temporary feeling, you can start taking small steps to move forward. Here are some simple ways to gain more clarity. Remember, feeling lost is a normal part of finding to not have everything figured out immediately. By taking small steps and being kind to yourself, you can start to clear the fog and move towards a path that feels right for you. Recognizing that you're feeling this way is a powerful first step, And with that time and effort, you can overcome the confusion and find your direction. Now that we have identified some challenges, let's talk about how to push through them. Obstacles are a natural part of any journey, but with the right mindset and tools, they can be overcome. Start by breaking big challenges into smaller, more manageable steps. This makes them feel less overwhelming and gives you a clear path forward. Stay flexible in your approach. Sometimes the first solution doesn't work, and that's okay. Try to see setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow. Building resilience is key. Remind yourself of past challenges you've faced and conquered, and let those success give you confidence to keep moving forward. It's also important to ask for help when you need it. Reaching out to friends, family, or a mentor can provide new perspectives and much needed support. Remember, you don't have to face everything alone. Lastly, keep your purpose in mind. Remind yourself why you started and focus on the positive outcomes waiting for you on the other side of the obstacles. Fear can feel like a big, scary wall standing in your way. But what if you look at it differently? Fear isn't just something to avoid, it can be a sign of growth. It means you're stepping out of your comfort zone and into a place where progress happens. While it's natural to feel uneasy, facing fear head on can lead to some of life's most rewarding experiences. Try shifting your mindset. Instead of focusing on what if I fail, ask yourself, what can I learn if I try? Even if things don't go as planned, there's always something valuable to take away, a new skill, a lesson, or a deeper understanding of yourself. Think of fear as a challenge rather than a threat. When you reframe it this way, it becomes less about stopping you and more about pushing you forward. Take small steps, celebrate progress, and remind yourself that courage isn't the absence of fear, it's taking action despite it. When self doubt creeps in and you start questioning whether you're good enough, take a moment to remind yourself of your accomplishments. Imposter syndrome, the feeling that you don't belong or are not as capable as others think you are, can be overwhelming. But it's something many people experience, even those who seem the most successful. Start by writing down moments when you've succeeded or felt proud of yourself. These don't have to be big achievements, even small wins count. For example, you might note, I handled that project well, or I helped a friend through a tough time. Reflecting on these moments can help you see your true abilities and value. It's also helpful to remember that imposter syndrome is normal and doesn't mean you're not capable. Many high achieving people feel this way at times. It's a sign you're challenging yourself and stepping into a new territory. Instead of letting, self doubt hold you back, use it as a signal to keep growing and learning. Trust the evidence of your past successes and remind yourself that you've earned your place. Not all opinions are created equal, and not every voice deserves your attention. When you're striving toward the goal, it's important to focus on feedback from people who genuinely care about your growth and success. These are the individuals who offer constructive advice and encouragement, not just criticism for the sake of it. Surround yourself with supportive and uplifting people who believe in you. Their positivity can help you stay motivated and focused on what truly matters. At the same time, learn to let go of criticism that isn't helpful. Not all feedback is worth taking to heart sometimes. It's just noise that can distract you. When you encounter criticism, pause and ask yourself, is this feedback helping me improve? Or it is just negativity I can tune out? By focusing on the voices that truly matter and filtering out the rest, you'll feel free up energy to stay confident and keep moving forward. You don't have to have everything figured out all at once. Clarity comes with time, and the key is to start small. Begin by writing in a journal about your interests, values, and what truly matters to you. This simple practice can help you better understand yourself and what you want from life. Instead of aiming for big, overwhelming goals right away, set tiny, manageable ones that you can build on over time. For example, if you're unsure about your purpose, take one small step today. You could try a new activity, have a conversation with someone who inspires you, or set a short term goal to work toward. Each little action, no matter how small, brings you closer to understanding your direction. Remember, clarity is a process. It won't happen overnight, but with each step, you'll get closer to discovering what's meaningful for you. Be patient with yourself and trust that every effort counts. Let's look at two real life examples to see how people turned obstacles into opportunities. One is turning job loss into a new path. Imagine someone who worked in a corporate job for years, but suddenly lost their position during a company downsizing. At first, they felt overwhelmed and unsure about what to do next. But instead of dwelling on the loss, they decided to pursue their long-time passion for photography. They had always loved taking pictures, but never had the time to turn it into a career. With the extra time on their hands, they invested in photography classes, built a portfolio, and started doing freelance work. Over time, the business grew and they found themselves working with clients they admired. Now they run a successful photography business and look back, thankful for the job loss that gave them the chance to follow their dreams. What seemed like an obstacle became a new beginning that led them to a more fulfilling life. Next is turning struggles into strength. Another inspiring story is about someone who faced a serious illness. Rather than feeling hopeless or giving up, they used their experience as an opportunity to help others. They started a support group for people going through similar health struggles, creating a space where people could share their fears, hopes, and experiences. By offering encouragement and a listening ear, they found a deep sense of purpose and strength. What started as a personal challenge became a way to give back and make a positive impact in others' lives. These stories remind us that even when life feels tough or uncertain, there's always a way to find meaning. By facing challenges head on and looking for the lessons or opportunities hidden within them, we can move forward and create something meaningful from our struggles. Let's wrap up with something to think about and a little motivation to help keep you going. What's one small step you can take today to get closer to your purpose? It doesn't have to be a huge move. Even a tiny step forward is progress. Maybe it's reading a book that inspires you, reaching out to someone for advice, or setting a small goal to work on. Every little action brings you closer to your bigger vision. Remember, progress isn't always about making giant leaps. It's about staying consistent and moving in the right direction, no matter how small the steps may seem. Obstacles are those scary things you see when you stop focusing on your goal, by Henry Ford. And this quote is a great reminder to keep your focus on where you're headed. Obstacles can seem huge and intimidating, but when you keep your eyes on your goal, they won't feel so overwhelming. The more you concentrate on what you want to achieve, the less power the challenges will have over you. Keep moving forward and trust that you have what it takes to overcome any roadblocks come your way. thank you so much for spending the time with me today. I hope this episode gave you something valuable to think about. Whether it's recognizing the obstacles standing in your way or finding the courage to take that next small step, always remember obstacles are not the end of the road. They're just part of the journey. They are challenges meant to teach us important lessons, help us grow stronger, and guide us toward who we're meant to become. It's okay to feel stuck or uncertain sometimes. We all face moments like that. What matters is that you keep trying, keep learning, and keep moving forward, even if it's just one small step at a time. Each step, no matter how small, is still progress. You are capable of far more than you might realize. Every effort you make, no matter how small it may seem, brings you closer to the life you want to live. A life filled with purpose and meaning. Trust in the process, believe in yourself, and remember, it's okay to ask for help along the way. You don't have to do everything alone. If this episode touched your heart and made you think of someone who could use a bit of support, please share it with them. By doing so, we can spread positivity, hope, and purpose to those who might need it most. Thank you for being here on this journey. Your growth, your purpose, and your life inspire more people than you realize. Until next time, take care of yourself, be kind to others, and keep living with purpose.